Hey guys, I'm Ranjita, and by seeing my video, you made me very happy. We all love using different words, and most often we run out of words, and so we end using the word very many a times, right? But we all need to improve our vocabulary and move to the next level. So today, let us learn at least few new words that we can use to express ourselves better without the using word very. Now let us start with a phrase that we use at least once a day. Yes, it's very sad. Yes, we can replace the phrase very sad and use few words instead of using very sad. They are like unhappy, gloomy, melancholy, discouraged, dejected, distressing, etc. Now, I will be giving one example for each of the following that will help you to learn these words in detail. Okay, let me start with unhappy. She remained unhappy for the rest of her life. Gloomy, he was gloomy and absent-minded. Melancholy, there was a melancholy mood by the river. Discouraged, I am not discouraged nor I am afraid. Dejected, I put down the phone and felt quite dejected. Distressing, it is distressing to see the current COVID situation. Now see, you can replace very sad and use these words instead of using the word very sad. Now you can see that you have learned a pack of words within few seconds. Moving on to the next phrase, and this phrase is very important. This is something very positive and we should use this one every day. The word very happy. Instead of using very happy, what are the other words we can use? Yes, we can use words like joyful, merry, contented, blissful, satisfied, thrilled, etc. I know these are the parts of Thesaurus and I'm helping you out how to learn the Thesaurus. Okay, let me give one example of each of the new words. Thrilled. I was thrilled to receive my first offer letter. Joyful. A flood of brilliant, joyful light poured from her transfigured face. Merry. Merry Christmas to you too, though it's very early to wish Merry Christmas now in the month of September. Contented. To have a contented life and be loved by someone, and we all love it. Yes. Blissful. A blissful, bright smile was fixed on the baby's broad face with its toothless open mouth. So what do you think? Do I satisfy you? If I do, then let me know in the comment section below. Now if you find my video is helpful, then please leave a like for me because your like makes me happy, and when I am happy I make more videos. Now next comes the phrase that currently describes the most of the people in the world. Yes, they are very angry. These YouTubers like me, asking me to like their videos makes me very angry. Yes, I'm extremely angry, violent. So what are the words I can use instead of very angry? Yes, enraged, furious, mad, offended, resentful. Again, I will be giving one example for each of the following. Enraged. People were enraged by the decision of the Prime Minister of the country. Furious. My mother was furious, though she is not. She is a very cool lady. Mad. I'm mad at you, she said, narrowing her eyes. Offended. I'm sorry if I have offended you. Resentful. She was jealous and resentful wife, though I am not. My husband can tell this one better. Now moving on to the next phrase, which is very bad. What are the words I can use instead of using very bad? Yes, horrible, terrible, awful, dreadful, stressed, heartbroken. These are the few words I can use instead of very bad. One example for each of the following. Yes, horrible. It was turning out to be a horrible day. Terrible. She fainted when she heard the terrible news. Awful. I had an awful crush on him when I was in high school. I'm talking about Hrithik Roshan, okay? Dreadful. They told us the dreadful news. Heartbroken. The current condition of doctors and nurses is heartbreaking, and we truly are grateful to all of them for being there for us. Now see how many words you have learned within this span of time. I know many words you have learned. So there are some good people who have subscribed to my channel. In case you still haven't, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, because I make English videos regularly. So let's end this video on a positive note with the last phrase of the day, which is very good. Just as I have given few words for very bad, very sad, very happy, I'm going to give equally powerful words for the phrase very good. Yes, it can be replaced by the word brilliant, fantastic, superlative, impressive, remarkable, flawless. Here the example goes. You are perfect, brilliant, and beautiful. I know you people are brilliant. Fantastic. I'm sure you'll do a fantastic job. Superlative. The winner of the Nobel Peace Prize must be a superlative person. Impressive. Shan made an impressive presentation. Remarkable. She has made a remarkable progress. And finally, flawless. You can call me dark, fat, but according to me, actually, I am flawless. So, use these positive words in all of your conversation and let me know how many of you have grabbed the words from my dictionary. So, that's all. Thank you for being with me.